Well, Maharashtra Deputy CM Ajit Pawar has also issued a statement, a stern warning against divisive forces, where he says that one shouldn't fall in the trap of such divisive forces, and India's real strength actually lies in its unity.
भारत विविधता में एकता का प्रतीक है। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर, महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले, राजर्षि शाहू महाराज ने सभी धर्मों और जातियों के साथ लेकर समाज की उन्नति का मार्ग हम सबको दिखाया है। हमें इसी विरासत को आगे बढ़ाना है और किसी भी तरह की समाज विभाजन की ताकतों के बहकावे में न आना है। हाल में हो रहे हमने होली मनाई, जल्दी गुड़ी पाड़वा आने वाला है, फिर ईद आएगी। यह त्योहार हमें साथ मिलकर मनाना है, क्योंकि हमारी एकता ही हमारी असली ताकत है। मुझे एक भरोसा देना है, आपका भाई अजीत पवार आपके साथ है। हमारी मुस्लिम भाई बहनों को जो भी आंखें दिखाएगा, दो गुटों में झगड़ा लगाकर अमन शांति को भंग करेगा और कानून को अपने साथ में लेने की बात करेगा, तो वो कोई भी हो, उसे किसी भी कीमत पर बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, माफ नहीं किया जाएगा। इतना ही मैं आप सभी को बताना चाहता हूँ। आज इस इफ्तार में शामिल होने के लिए आप सभी।
Well, Nilesh is with us right now. Nilesh, this is the unity message that is now coming in from the Maharashtra Deputy CM. Apart from, as far as questions that are now being raised by the BJP, that if they support or endorse such kind of controversial statements made by a DMK Mantri.
Well, yes, Amita, you have been rightly putting it that it is a message coming out of Ajit Pawar calling out for unity. But it seems like the unity does not exist in the Mahayuti Alliance partnership, because Ajit Pawar, time and again, before election and after election, have been putting out words which are not in line with the Shivsena Shinde faction as well as from the BJP, by stating that people in the state are busy into communal politics, and which is something that is not appreciated by him. And if any individual is caught dividing the society, he will take some stringent action, be it from any party or any individual that comes to his attention. So that is a big embarrassment coming in from the Mahayuti Alliance partners. Now Shivsena Shinde faction has reacted to it, stating that how these differences are predominantly occurring between these two alliance partners, and they are not willing to interfere into it. However, Devendra Fadnavis in the early times also had given out statements that it is a political alliance between Ajit Pawar and him, but not an emotional and ideological alliance. Now the opposition in the state of Maharashtra is using all of these points as arsenal to attack the Mahayuti Alliance partner. How will it turn out to be in the upcoming months is what we have to keep an eye for. But it seems like the unity call that is given out by Ajit Pawar is not very much suitable to the Mahayuti Alliance partners.
All right. Answers that are now being sought from the allies, if they support such kind of a controversial statement, that only increases divisiveness between North and South. For the moment, thank you very much, Nilesh, for joining in. Heading into a short break.